want to hear what everybody's ideas are at this point.
We're planning to incorporate a distance sensor, so when you get up to it, it'll start moving. This is the little brain board that we plug into the computer. And from here, on the computer, we do the programming.
We're going to use this sensor, the distance sensor, and when you put your hand up to it, we're going to get someone to say, bruh.
It's like a meme. So like a meme bot, I guess.
A meme bot.
There's going to be a stack, and when it turns, it's going to let this one go, but it's going to catch the other one.
I'm thinking that we'll actually have two servo motors and put them here so it actually catches it in between them.
The thing about the servo, it just follows instructions to change some number of degrees, and then it stops until it gets instructions to change more degrees.
All right, we're going to do just a quick review of the microcontroller. Pop quiz. Okay, what are the 3 different motors that can attach to your microcontroller?
Servo.
The servo. And what else?
Vibrato.
The vibration motor, yes. And?
Mini
the
motor.
motor. Very good. So when you approach the character, the distance